So I have a problem with this Elgato HD60 X that I just bought. So here's the problem. There's a crackling sound. Okay, so normally the sound will be something like this. And I try setting it up to analog, this one, which is really simple. Just put it, there's an analog hole over there. So here we go. So I've already put in the analog audio over there. Apply. Sometimes you need to restart the thing. Okay, so here. Oh yeah. Wait up. Still sounded the same. It's a crackling. So it's not good. I think this thing is broken. I need a refund.